Hey, what's up, refinance holder? What's going on? The refinance condition is very critical now. Minus 21.93%. The price is dumped down. I can't believe, my friends, to what's going on in the crypto market. This time, very critical condition. All crypto market is very badly fares down. So therefore, I'm very shocked to see this, my friend. But what we can do? We will do, my friends, to just and only focus on the market cap to what's going on this time to be safe from the loss. And my friend, just and only this is our responsibility to we will show you, my friend, the real reason, the real update, my friend, of any coin. So therefore, I have also, my friend, something very special today now. So let's get started a brand video. But please, I am 100% sure if you want to earn money from crypto, I will give you 100% guarantee to if you subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification, you will earn a lot of money from crypto. So refinance holder, first of all, I am going to discuss something very special about refinance this time, my friend. You can see here the update. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 7 day, all change occurring is very bad. You can see, my friend, all change occurring is negative. So therefore, my friend, I will notify you to please, does not mean this is temporary fails. Does not mean to you are starting selling, my friend. The price is 0.019 USD dollar. But don't worry, my friend, the price, absolutely the price is decreasing. But I hope to after a very short time they will pumps up and they will get a very good profit. But in last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 day, all change occurring also negative. So this all, my friend, is different on the market cap. If a market cap is increasing, definitely this all is also increasing. But my friend, the market cap is increasing if you are starting investing. So therefore, please, you will need to invest now. I hope refinance will wake up and completely give you a profit. But if you are starting investing, I hope, my friends, the refinance team is doing very hard work and they will want, my friends, to collaborate with a lot of companies in the future. But we will need to hold now and wait for the end of month. I just, my friends, invest for 3 months. I have a hold from 3 months. I hope, my friend, after 3 months refinance will give me a profit. But let's see, my friends, to what they do. But my friends, when I see the result, the change occurring of month by month, you can see here in last 1 month they will lose now minus 21.93%. They will lose, so therefore they cannot give me a profit. So I hope in upcoming 2 days, 2 months, they will recover this loss and they will give me a profit. But I think it's gone very badly wrong. So let's see, my friends. But my prediction is 100% going positive, because after them every coin will pumps up. So therefore, I hope to in upcoming time, in the last 10 days, my friend, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, I hope to they will also wake up and moving upward. Thanks for watching refinance coin holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.